3 reasons to consider YouTube ads for affiliate marketing. Number 1, there's less competition. Everyone's doing Facebook ads, TikTok, Snapchat, native, all over the place. But people, for whatever reason, are afraid of Google. You want to use that to your advantage. YouTube ads, there's not much competition out there. Now, you're not gonna make every type of affiliate offer work. You're not gonna make a 50-cent payout offer work. But if you have a higher payout, you have the right ad, you can make it work and work really well. Reason number 2, it's scalable. Once you have the right ad and the right audience in place, getting from spending $100 a day to $4,000 a day is just a matter of changing budgets, testing some other audiences, but it really doesn't take much to get there. You can get there in a few days, a week at most. Reason number 3, there's less ad fatigue and it's stable at scale. So I've had situations where I ran campaigns with the same ad, 5K plus daily spend for 2.5, 3 months without having to refresh the ad. Now, if you're familiar with Facebook ads, native, you're always gonna have to play that game, keep that CTR up, so on and so forth. Now, I'm not saying in YouTube ads, you're not supposed to make more creatives. Of course you are, and if you make a better creative, fine. What I am saying is the ad fatigue is not hitting as quickly as it does with other ad platforms. And those are 3 reasons to consider YouTube ads for affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to get more YouTube ad tips, feel free to check out our channel, or our content is free. If you want a step-by-step plan on how to launch YouTube ads, a very meticulous training, and you want to get part of our weekly phone calls, then feel free to check out our course, book a call, and see if our course works for you.